Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yes, welcome, everyone. Um, okay. So let me know in the comments right now, guys. Yeah, just stop by. Good evening. Yes, welcome, welcome, Lynch. We have Lynch right now. Who else are there? Yeah. So yesterday we weren't able to do live. My schedule was full last night. But then again, um, yes. Hello, hello, Killer Sama. Good evening. Yes. So for this evening, everyone, we're gonna be monitoring Bitcoin again due to the fact that halving is it's almost there. 21, 22. Okay, it's there. So let's just recap what we discussed the other day and what to expect on the possible movement now for the upcoming, at least this week, right? Okay, so Lynch, yes, it has been a while. Good evening. Crypto MD, welcome, welcome. Crypto MD is very early. Everyone are very early, right? Okay. So, anyways, currently you guys are looking at the Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin chart. And let me open the daily for now. Okay, so we won't have that much noises. Yeah. So far, if you'll see, Bitcoin has been consolidating for the last 37 days, you can say. And I know this one is going to extend 40 days and possibly more than that. Okay, I'm telling that possibly more than that. Okay, so as you guys can see, um, if we talk about technical analysis only, we can say it's ranging. But then again, you have now to factor in major events, outside, such as the war, right? The war that has triggered the price to go down significantly, especially with alts, right? And that reminds me of what happened last, okay, last halving event, before the halving event, which was the COVID. Anyone familiar with COVID? Yeah. Yeah. And what happened with the market? Not just crypto, but stocks, everything. Yeah. And the market did a significant drop, big drop. And what is happening right now is similar to something like that. And can you guys observe how the USD has gained so much, so much value because of the war? Have you guys observed? Right now in P2P, 58. We're hitting 58 per dollar, 58 pesos. Okay, for those who are in Philippines, 58 pesos, okay, per dollar. And for the foreigners who are, listening right now, the standard price with USD was playing around 54. 54, 53, yeah? around here. And now it's hitting 58 just by the war. Can you guys imagine? So, yeah, with that said, not only it has affect, the movements in our chart, but as well as the other significant stuff, outside of the market. Now, let's go over with our notes, yeah, last time, April 17th. I told you guys April 17th, if you really want to get into Bitcoin, miss, I have a sitting money right now. I told you that the buying point, the starting buying point by then was 62. During the time, when I have, when we did it, we was around here. 60, okay, okay, 62, roughly around this area. And from there on, let's count 62. Okay. We have managed to push up 5%. Okay, 5%. Now, I am not saying that this market can now go like that. Okay, like all the way to the upside. Not yet. Okay? I have to discuss with you what to expect with halving. So, extreme buying point, okay, we have in here roughly around this area. 56, 52, 51. Okay? Like I've said, extreme buying point. So, Miss, are you saying that there's a possibility that, we're gonna go more down? Historically wise, okay, historically wise, after the halving event, okay, has occurred, Bitcoin will have a 2 months, okay, average of sideways at least. Now, in the sideways, we cannot just simply say, okay, it can be like a simple sideways, just like that, now going up, going down. There will be time, guys, that they will have like that. Earlier, like this, like that, possibly like that as well. But it won't break the all-time high yet, okay? And at the same time, gradually, by then, we will have a push up. Something like this. Okay, for at least for now, that is what I'm expecting after the halving period. Okay, so let's try to see. Last halving period was sitting around May 20. Yeah, sorry, May 2020. Okay, let's try to open that map. So, can you guys see this big drop right here? Yeah, there you go. That was the COVID COVID crash. We call it the COVID crash. And that was few days, sorry, for a few weeks before the halving. So this one was like 61 days, right? Before the halving. Roughly around that area. Okay, so just give me a sec. All right. Um, Let me check the comment section right now. We have new people coming in. Welcome. Hello, Cloud. Yes, good evening. Julio, hi, good evening. How's your portfolio portfolio going? Yeah, so we also have Mel. Yes, good evening, good evening. Welcome. For those who are watching right now, do not be shy to, stop by the comment section. Um, it's just me, getting familiar with everyone. Username, even, the possible faces. But the moment I see the name, okay, kasi, is that I'll get to remember you. That's the thing. I get to remember you. So like Sama Lynch, Cloud, okay, Mel, I remember them. So don't be shy, guys, to, message down or like comment down below. So by the way, guys, yeah, since we have started the live again, and so far, we are 1,791 in here. Yeah, we have the subscribers. So we have the sub goal of 2,000. Now, I was thinking that once we hit the 2,000 sub goal, Okay, for the subscribers, I'm gonna give out two people an access with the Rush Challenge. So, guys, familiar with Rush Challenge? Yeah, we are about to start that again. Okay, right here. So right now the regular membership fee now is 4,000 peso or 700, sorry, 700, $70. Okay, $70. So guys, I'm gonna be giving out two people. Okay, two people once we hit our sub goal uh of 2,000. All right. So Crypto MD INR, I guess this is he's referring to um the high prices, right? Of because of the war against the money, our local money compared to the USD. Okay, so Crypto MD is like INR. I guess this is rupees Indian. It's now 94 and it used to be 90. Yeah. Similar with Filipino, HP. So hey, yours, good evening. Thoughts on Bitcoin halving? Yes, that's what we're discussing right now. Okay, so Lynch, yes, let's go, let's go. Okay, so now going back right here, this red line again was the halving of 2020. All right, and before that again we have the major drop, which was the COVID drop, and after that, after the halving, we had a long period of at least not moving at all. Sideways. Can you guys imagine? For 2 months, we're not moving anywhere. And then after that, oh, suddenly we have a price up. Are we gonna continue to go up now? But what happened? We got a big drop. It looks small, but let me show you. Okay? Market went up 35% and at the same time, market dropped almost 20%. Now, like I have said, we can expect similar, okay, similar thing with after the halving. Okay. Now, other people were like, "Oh, miss, I guess it's a different thing now." Okay, because this is the first time that Bitcoin broke the all-time high. Okay, we have the all-time high right here. Let me remove this supply zone. So we have the all-time high on the green line. Yeah. And for the first time, this is the first thing, yeah, the first time that has happened wherein Bitcoin broke the all-time high before the halving. However, guys, by historical value or levels, we're literally at the right track. We are at the right track. Yes, it has broke the all-time high, but based of the percentage movement from top to from top to bottom, market is at the proper pricing. Okay, proper pricing in terms of the percentage. Now let me try to open right here. Okay, so just ignore this. I was discussing that with my previous students. Okay, so halving, we have halving in here, May 2020 from the drop. Okay, and then from the recovery, let's try to see. Yeah, we have the 100 again percent return. And if we check by the Bitcoin right now, we are past the 100 from the drop all the way up. Okay, roughly 85, 83. We're sitting around those area. So you cannot really say that it's different. For me, I'm looking at it that we are on the proper track in terms of the fundamental aspect of it. We're in, oh, now there's the war. Multiple elements are affecting the market. And can you guys imagine? What did I tell you? 62 is the buying point. Why? Because 62 right here or anywhere near the 60, as I have said, Guys, that right there is where the whales, familiar with whales, banks, whatever. This is where they're actually loading. Sorry. Okay, this is where they are loading up. Does not matter. Does not matter if there's a war. Actually, for them, a war is like a rain in a sunny day. Yeah? For them, it's like opportunity. That's the thing. Sounds, it sounds bad, but like that's how the world goes. When there's negative thing happening outside, that's an opportunity for someone else and should be for us as well. So let me open the 4 hour section right here. What can we expect with Bitcoin for the next, at least for the next 2 to 3 days? I'm gonna tell you, okay? Let me see the comments, all right? Killer sama thoughts po sa alt and Bitcoin dominance for sure. Okay. Crypto MD, war equals money. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so right here, Julio, war, tapos may tension pa sa PH and South China Sea. That's the thing, yeah. Um, what can we do? But anyways, guys, have you heard about the ETF being passed in Hong Kong? Yeah, so that's big thing as well, right? Anyway, so now, from where we have April 17th, okay, right here, it even went all the way down till 59. 59, right? We were discussing it roughly around this area, and price went all the way till 59. That was an opportunity for you, as I have said. Now, with this, we have broke the movement of Bitcoin that has been consolidating for the past almost six days. Okay, 6 days market has just been consolidating in a manner of a channel like this and has been in a downtrend since 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Now, with that, we broke it for the first time right here. Now, what can we expect, right? So let's just simply check markets right now. And first level that you can expect for it to have the rejection would be sitting right around this level, okay? 67, 68. But my initial wall, I would take the 0.786 right here. Okay, so what's the value of that? That is 69, almost by the 70. Remember, guys, 70 is a whole number, psychological number for everyone. And at the same time, it is by the all-time high. So for those who have long position, just for an example, okay, or for those who manage to buy around here and in the market for a short time, yeah, that is a good what? Almost 3 to 1 type of RR. Okay, if you were able to buy by the 62. Okay, I'm not even counting the drop, but by the 62 only. Right here. Okay. Now, miss. So what else can we do right around this area? Right? What else can we do? So guys, this area is considered to be a strong resistance point. Okay, let me remove this one and let's expand our purple zone. This area, okay, everyone, is a strong resistance zone right now. And yes, halving might happen, but unless and until we have the break of what? We have the break of this, the 73. Can you see this very top right here, guys? Unless and until we do not have that break, Bitcoin 80% will have the rejection and play along with the sideways that we are expecting. Okay? Like this. And possibly you might hit, like that. Give it again, give it from halving periods. This is just the 42 days, 54, roughly 60 days, let's say. Okay? Now, Miss, um, is it possible that market might move in a manner like that? Possibly. Okay, no one really knows, but we know that it's gonna be sideways. All right, and we have the major levels accounted. Like this one, the purple zone. Okay, take note of it. Rejection by here and this area. Now, let's talk about. Someone was asking, Killer. Someone was asking for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance. Let's see by with the altcoins. Let's see the altcoins for now. Okay, because altcoins market cap. Let's talk about market cap. Altcoins market cap has been down. No money has been flowing into altcoins. On the other hand, the Bitcoin itself, and right here, is having the gain. This is the 4 hours, okay? Let me open the daily. So for the past, April 9, let's count April 9. For the first time, Bitcoin has broke the Bitcoin dominance, meaning the money is flowing into Bitcoin. That is why, guys, if you'll see in altcoins, it was just going down, drop, 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 drop. All movements were down. Can you guys see? This is April 9 right here. Let me mark it. Okay, there you go. April 8, April 9. What happened with the market cap of altcoin? This is the totality, okay? All altcoins in the market. We have jumped 24%, meaning the money in the altcoin market has been reducing. And where does the money goes? Possibly Bitcoin. High likely. That's all we do in this market, right? We do the cycle. Bitcoin, altcoin, USD, and repeat. And right here, for the Bitcoin dominance, we have a pump of roughly almost 30%. Now, Miss, is there a possibility that Bitcoin might have a push up? Let's see the lower time frame, like the 4 hour. Okay, right here. So if you can see, Bitcoin just have the break, okay, of the pattern that we have in here, and possibly it is heading at the continuation phase of moving up. And at the same time, with altcoin, on the other hand, yeah, unless and until we break the level of the 1.06 trillion, okay, dollar, okay, market cap, altcoin will have the continuation possibly to move down. Okay? But then again, guys, I don't think this is gonna go lower than this. This is the lowest possible. 900, okay? 800 billion. But I'm telling you, 900 billion at least. 900. That's the lowest. It can go like this, okay? Somewhat like that, possibly. But I'm gonna tell you, I don't think it's gonna go lower than that. Because this is a very significant point now with altcoin. And even if we'll see markets, okay, I'll go just for an example. We're literally hitting the lowest point of you know of altcoins as well for buying purposes. So okay, I hope that one is clear. So again, unless and until we break the 0.63 trillion, altcoin is gonna keep hovering, or in other words, sideways in this market. But the one who will have the big movement currently is going to be Bitcoin. This is gonna be, again, Bitcoin is the leader. It's gonna move first, then altcoin will follow. Okay, so I want you to watch this too. Okay, how's the pick up of the market cap with the altcoin? All right, so let's go back on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is hitting 65 again. It can move up, okay, more around this area. Anyway, so let's check the comment section. AC channels of Bitcoin. I guess the one is hit 70K. Good to short na po ba? You can place a short position, but I'm not telling you to, to have the TP all the way down. Keep it, keep your take profit short. Meaning like, do not be aiming for not even this. I'm gonna tell you, not even this. All right, unless you wanna, you wanna risk it, because that right there, even though Bitcoin will hit around here, that's a counter trading. Yeah. Now I'm not saying counter trading is bad, but it's a lot, to manage rather than trading with the trend. Okay, unless and until you have the experience to do it, okay, you can do. Killer Sama, good to long na po ba outs for long hold? Yes. Yeah, I'm telling you, yes. You can. You're literally at the entry point for outs right now. Okay? So, welcome to our new two subscribers. We have grown, yeah, from 1,791 to 1,793. Again, guys, so once we hit the 2,000 subscriber, okay, goal, I'm gonna be giving out two lucky people, okay, two lucky people an access and trade with me in the Rush Trade Challenge, okay? This is the Rush Challenge. We're starting 100 and taking it to 1,000 and possibly higher than that. Yeah? So, okay, once we hit 2,000. Julio, gusto ko mag-DCA. Should I wait or buy price right now? DCA, you can buy now, but 64, uh, it depends with, how would you like to manage your, for example, your portfolio. Like, at 64, it's still not high, to be honest. You can put in like, okay, around this area, I would like to put in 10%, 20% of my account. If it goes higher, okay, I can put in like another similar amount. Or now, but once it drops, oh miss, now it went back to 62, then you can put in similar amount. Anywhere lower than that, 59, you can put in bigger amount. Okay? Just play around, with it. Depends with your strategy. But to the way, yeah. Just do DCA. Do your account DCA. If not Bitcoin, okay, for example, Ethereum haven't moved up yet, okay? So, can you see? Unlike the Bitcoin, it literally went from 60 to 59 to 65. Ethereum haven't moved up much yet. Not yet. It has the potential to move till here and possibly there. Okay? With Ethereum. Now, I'm not gonna be looking at this altcoins, okay? The small, I mean, yeah, not the major coins for now, because halving is coming up. So I'm gonna limit till Ethereum only for now. Okay. Anyway, so again, guys, if you are interested, okay, with the you know with premium for those who wants to learn how to trade and possibly um get some signals, yeah. This is the area or this is the plan that will help you. Okay, if you wanna really be in a day trading type of section, this is a good start for you to be in. We have the basic, advanced, and yeah, advanced lesson in the trading lesson in Google Drive. Okay. So, anyways, that's it for this evening. Yeah. Thank you for being here tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Okay, for our live. All right. So, have a good evening, everyone. I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.